Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to select multiple items with laptop touchscreen. Okay, normally everyone is know how to select files in Windows. We can simply press and hold Control, then select each icons or each photos. Okay, otherwise we can use Shift key to select particular lines. Okay, select one photo, select the ending photo, that will be select all of the photos between those two photos. So how to select with touchpad? It is very easy. There is a trick that you have to double click an open area, then instantly move the cursor like this. Okay, we want to select this photo, then click here, double click. Okay, then we can simply select like this. The trick is very simple. Just double click, then swipe, double click, then swipe. That's the trick. It's very simple. So we can select those files with this skill, but actually you have to try multiple times to first time for accessing this function. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you need any kind of other videos, you can comment here. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.